Hello beauties, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video is all about unboxing my accessories from SHEIN. Some of them have not even come. It's remaining only one package, arrive maybe by tomorrow or next week, so I don't really know. So these are the packages here. I'm gonna start unboxing them. I tried to fix my camera to also for you guys to see the table, but I don't think that will be necessary, so I will be showing you guys each one I brought out. So I'm going to open this package here. Oh, mistakenly tear the bag. I tear the inside like this. You know, if you have nails when you're tearing something, it will just open like that. So in this first package, I have my foundation brush. You guys know the brush that I have stamping here, and you can use it to be tapping. I have foundation sponge. Sorry guys, not sponge, not brush, sponge. So as well, I have this. Oh my god, this is phone holder. This is so cute. I like it, and you guys see those shiny, those rainbow shining. I like it too. And of course, you guys, I bought this one because I like hair pack, and I really like it because it's very easy to use to pack your hairs. And as well, I got this extra phone holder. I think I got about 3 or 4 extra phone holders. So this is another color, of course. So over here, guys, this is brush. You guys will not believe I've spent a lot of money when it comes to brush, and none of them care to last, not even a month or 2 weeks or 1 year maximum. So I just came across this one on SHEIN, and I was like, this looks good, let me just try it out and see how it's gonna be like. Maybe I hope it's not like other ones. Okay, so this is so cute. It's very, very pretty, and mostly for my girls' hair, and that's why I got it. So over here I have a foundation sponge. Okay, it's not that the one I have has finished, but I want something extra. And you know, when you have extra things, you can use so much without bothering to wash it. You know, when you have a lot of things, you're like, oh, I want to use. You like to use a lot before you just say, okay, I think I've used enough. Let me go and wash it. So that's why I got this one. And again, I have my tweezer. You guys will believe I have about mini tweezers in this house, but I still went ahead to buy this particular one because whenever I use tweezer, I don't know where I keep them. I'll be looking for it in eternity, so I decided to purchase a single one. I also have a set. I've looked for that set for ages, but I can't find them. Could you believe that it's yesterday night that I found a set of my tweezer? Yesterday night, I've already placed an order for this one. So that's the okay. It's remaining only one pack again from the first pack. Let's find out what's inside. Oh, okay, beautiful. You guys see this one? This is another phone holder again that I have. I purchased about 4 different types of phone holders, guys, and you will not believe me. I like phone holders. Like, you guys, if you see this, you know what is phone holder. So that's the thing in package 1. Over to package 2, which is this one here. I'm just opening it like this. Okay, this is the first set. Okay, this is for my baby. I got this 3 sets of cloth for my baby. Okay, so there is 3 different types: black, gray, and white. Okay, I got this. If you look at it, you see it's SHEIN kits. That's for my baby. So over here I got this top for myself, and this top right here is very, very short. Okay, I'm gonna use it to do a video. Okay guys, over here, oh my god, this is so cute. I didn't know that this is the type of rubber I purchased, but that means I'm gonna look for it again and place an order. Like, I never knew this is the kind of, it's a very strong rubber, unlike the ones I have that whenever oil touches it, it will just cut off by itself. But I've not used it though, but it looks so similar like that of a Tupo, if you are following Tupo on YouTube. Okay, so I'm so happy that it's among them. So the next one again is this gown. This gown here, I got it, and it's beautiful though, but like I said, I will use it to do a video, so I won't go further to show you guys a lot of things. So over here I have another phone case, and this comes in white shade, okay, but I'm not going to put this white one. I think I should even put one on my phone now. Like now, I really need it. Ha! Like, babe, I need it. I'm going to put one of it on my phone now or later. Let me first of all finish the unboxing. Maybe that will be at the last minute or so. Okay, let me open this one. My hand have gone to scissors. Like I always say, I always forget to buy scissors. Oh my god, so this one here, this is, if you watch the back of this, you know what this is all about. Yeah, they have the drawing there. They have the drawing. So I will show you guys this one because I'm not going to wear it for you guys to see, but I'll just show you guys what it looks like inside. So we have this set of towel. This is towel, okay, and it's a set though. It's kind of a skirt, but you just have to tie it up here and use the hair tie to, you know, tie your hair. So that's actually how it is, okay guys. So I got this gray color because I saw the person wearing it and the gray color was amazing. So I said to myself, no, I like the gray color. I wanted to buy the pink one, but I later have a change of mind to go for gray. You know, when you are getting old, you will just be looking for gray. So I'm gonna take one of these key holds. I think I like this one most, but this one I don't want to tamper it. I bought this one for my future phone, and you guys know what I mean by my future phone. Maybe my future phone that I'm going to upgrade to. But I actually like this one because this one is hard. It's kind of telling my husband I love him. Yeah. So I think I have another style, or maybe this one is smile. So you guys, which one would be better, smile or heart? I don't really know, but let me go for smile so that when you look at me, you just smile like that. Alright, this is my phone, and I'm gonna bring it out here. So this is a complimentary card that someone gave to me. I have to save the number, but I couldn't because of the hour and the time the person gave it to me. So I decided to put it inside my phone case so that it won't get lost, but I will remove it now. So I actually got this phone case, this simple one here from SHEIN again. I think it's one of the things I bought in, that should be January or March, I guess. January or March. That's January, okay? So I'm gonna open it, bring it out. So I'm trying to see the position that I'll put it in. Let me first of all place it. I hope my children will not spoil it. Do you know how many times I've bought this? I've bought this like 3 to 4 times, but they keep spoiling it for me, and I don't know why they keep doing that. They keep spoiling it. Before I open my eyes, they have spoiled it. The journey of fixing nails. When you fix nails, you can't even use it to do anything. So I'm trying to remove the gum, because if you don't remove the gum, you can't put it. Okay, so holding your phone like this depends also. I think like this will be, this side will be fine, because if I put it inside, so I think I'll be holding my phone this way. So you need to place it the way you are holding your phone. The phone goes like this. Sometimes you'll be doing left and right and you end up doing mistake like this. I saw Catherine Manning and she put her own by the side, and I really like it because, so I think it will go here. Yeah, so let me just put it straight. No. I just made a mistake. And this thing, if you make mistake, it's gone. There is nothing you can do again about it. It's gone. I've made a mistake and it's gone. If you remove it, the gum will just remove and it will be useless. So I finally got it, like raising this thing up. So this is how it's looking like now. So this is how. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So like this, you can confidently take pictures like this. Okay, like you just hold it with one hand down and so that's it. It will help you to hold your phone very well, and as well as you. So, and here you are. That's it, and that is all for my unboxing, and so on and so forth. So if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on the video. You know, till my next video, guys, and I can't wait to see each and every one of you. Bye. Be blessed. God loves you all. Bye.